Hello and welcome back to Cooking, Crafting, and Gardening with Margaret and Mia, where we're outside relaxing and we're going to taste, or I'm going to taste, and Mia's going to drink because she's had it for what, a couple of months now?
Months,
This is
yes.
my time actually tasting it. So
Okay. I want to see your reaction.
I really like it.
Good. I was worried. I didn't think you would like it. Do you think
I
you need some sweetener in it?
No, I didn't add any sweetener. I put, half a lemon in.
Okay.
Okay, with adding the tart cherry juice, it doesn't make the ginger as strong.
Mm-hmm. It kind of
And
neutralizes that. It neutralizes the flavor a little.
yes,
Yeah.
and I'm not going to add any sugar. I like it
Okay.
just like
Well, I'm glad to hear that. So here's mine, and let's toast. Toast to
here.
being friends for many, many years and many years to come.
Many years to come, especially if we keep drinking this every day.
Yes, especially if we keep drinking this. And I
I'm
have
so glad.
have
I'm
my
so glad.
breakfast cookie.
Oh,
Pardon?
I said I'm so glad you told me about it.
Oh, yeah, happy to share. I remember last year when I was trying to jumpstart my diet, you told me about juicing. I actually need to pull my juicer out because you used to put ginger in your green
Mhm.
juice, but I did not. I was not as familiar with it. But now that I'm familiar with it and I like the taste, I would add ginger to it. I think that would spice it up a bit, make it
It
taste better.
will. I juiced yesterday morning.
Oh, okay. Mm.
Now this is a healthy breakfast.
It
Avocado
is.
toast and ginger tea. How
Yes,
healthier can you get?
that is healthy, and mine is a apple ginger cookie, breakfast cookie, and it's pretty healthy. It has omega C3s and some iron and other vitamins that are very important to us.
Mmm.
It's very tasty, and I didn't add any extra sugar to mine. I didn't add a sweet and low like I did last night. This tastes great.
Well, thank you guys for tuning back in to Cooking, Crafting, and Gardening with Margaret and Mia. Have a great day, and we'll see you
Until until next time. See you
next.
later.